There's a new wave rolling across Europe's shipping lanes, and it's flying the Belgian flag. I'm here to invite you to be a part of something bold, modern, and built for the future of seafaring. Imagine yourself on the bridge of a state-of-the-art LNG, LPG, or offshore vessel under a project that's not just about moving cargo, but about moving the industry forward. We're looking for driven officers to join this Belgian-flagged revolution with long-term contracts and full European protection. Now, you might be asking, why the Belgian flag? Here's the real difference. Working under the Belgian flag isn't just another job. It's joining one of the strongest social security systems in Europe. This isn't just about your contract. It's about your career, your family, and your future. Let's break it down. As a seafarer on a Belgian-flagged vessel, you're covered by Belgian Social Security, managed by the National Social Security Office, that's the RSZ or NSSO. What does that mean for you? Let me spell it out. Full health insurance, both onshore and offshore. Sickness and disability income protection. Work accident coverage and occupational disease protection. A solid retirement pension under the Belgian system. Unemployment benefits if you're between contracts. Family and child allowances to support your loved ones. And paid annual leave managed by the dedicated Belgian Maritime Holiday Fund. All of this is enforced by the Maritime Labour Convention and EU regulations, so you know you're getting fair treatment and long-term security, not just empty promises. And if something goes wrong at sea, you're protected. If you get sick or injured on board, the ship owner steps in, covering your medical costs, your wages, and your repatriation. Everything fully in line with Belgian maritime law and MLC standards. Let's talk money. Belgian seafarers get a real financial advantage thanks to unique tax deductions and exemptions. Your net income is higher, with all the protection of Social Security still locked in. Who are we looking for? Third officers. No experience needed, just a valid COSI and motivation to learn. Second officers. If you've got at least 2 years experience, especially with LNG, LPG, or offshore work, we want to hear from you. And chief officers. 3 years minimum with strong leadership and a real focus on safety. Language matters at sea, especially for safety, so French skills are essential for all roles. We welcome both EU and non-EU officers. If you're eligible, Belgian Social Security follows you, wherever you're from or wherever you live, thanks to the flag state principle. So, are you ready to join a team that values your skills, protects your future, and puts you at the helm of modern maritime operations? If you're eager for stable contracts, European-level protection, and a real career under the Belgian flag, this is your signal. Register yourself on our database, link in the description. Your next career move starts here. Sail Belgian, sail protected.